So we had the Freescale Technology Forum, and what are you showing here?
Yes, hi. Welcome to the Freescale Technology Forum. My name's Nick Mudofia, an engineer with Freescale Semiconductors, the Sensors Division. Today, we're going to be showing our MMA9550, which is our first product release in the Xtrinsic brand. Our Xtrinsic brand is a brand targeted towards the contextual sensing. Basic contextual sensing is the amalgamation of several sensors and applying them to real-life context. So, what we have here is a simple demo of our MMA9550 sensing platform. This sensor is made up of a 32-bit Core-Fire V1 processor and a 3-axis 16-bit accelerometer embedded into one package.
So what is a Core-Fire processor?
Okay, it's a good question. The Core-Fire processor is a derivative product that stems from the 68000 series processors back in the 90s, and it's been modified and expanded and enhanced to provide a wider capabilities of instruction sets and more feature-rich in terms of pipelining and processing, and is widely available and widely used in the market today.
So you have some sensors in there, and what's going on right now?
Okay, so in this demo, we have a really tight, compact demo, which is self-contained, and all the processing is occurring in this tiny package, which is our sensor. This is a 3x3x1 sensing platform, which is the MMA9550. Right. So this cube has been running for the past 5 days on the same amount of battery without any recharge. So I'll proceed to wake the sensor up. So if I rub the sensor on all 6 axes, it should wake up.
All right.
So just go ahead and try it out. As you can see, the sensor is woken up. It's starting to flash. Okay. So as I rotate it along, as I flip the cube on the different sides, you'll see that the LEDs will change colors. So now it's flashing red. It's now flashing blue.
Yeah.
It's now flashing green.
Maybe yellow.
Yellow. So that's our portrait landscape application. So you can detect the different orientations of the part, different sides which the part is rotated in.
So it's a 6-axis. What do you call it?
It's a 3-axis, but plus or minus. So plus x minus x. So in total, it's 6 degrees or 6 dimensions of portrait landscape sensing.
So it's like a gyro, but it's not.
Right. So it's like a gyro, but it's not, because as we all know, as the sensor becomes flat, in the X and Y plane, we lose all sensing on the X-axis and the Y-axis. So yes, there are plans out there, or some designs out there, that combine 2 accelerometers to mimic the gyro function. But on that note, as part of the Xtrinsic family, we are planning in the design stages of our next consumer gyro, which will be an extension of the Xtrinsic family. And that's one of the reasons why we decided to build a sensor hub. The sensor hub, which is the MMA9550, allows us the capability to be addressed by a host via the I2C or SPI bus, or the sensor could also talk to an external sensor. It could end up turning out to be a host, which drives other sensors.
Nice. So what could be the use case for this? What do you see, like an end consumer kind of product will use that, something like that?
Miniaturization.
Yeah.
It's really tight and compact. It saves our customers in real estate spaces on the PCB boards in your cell phones. So it makes your cell phones a lot smaller, because we take up less real estate area. One. The other part is, of course, portrait landscape. You can arrange your phone in different axes. You could use, so for instance, if I was receiving a phone call right now and the phone was ringing, I could flip this upside down. And the fact that I've sensed that my phone was flipped upside down contextually, I could hang up the phone. So once again, this whole concept of contextual sensing, applying feedback from the outside world, sensing it through our sensors, and then applying it to a specific context and a specific application. The other way is we could also use this as a linear freefall detector. Okay, so as I drop this linearly into my hand, the LED should stay solid for a brief period of time while it's free falling. As you can see, I can do it again. It stayed red for a brief period of time while it was free falling. So it detects the free fall, so that we could use it to detect when boxes fall off, when they're being shipped and they fall off in the trucking or shipping system. We could use it to detect when bodies are falling or objects are falling, and we could also use it to detect impact analysis for warranty issues or warranty claims by product manufacturers. So you could determine what the stress and strain of a product, or what a product has gone through over a period of time.
So you can log all the sudden moves that has happened in the device.
Yes, this device has 16K of flash and 2K of RAM. So this device is user programmable, so our customers can customize, and they have access to certain sections of memory to burn or log information in non-volatile
And
memory.
that's enough for months and months of log, or?
Since we log in metadata, we no longer log in raw data because we have the ability to process information from a contextual standpoint. So metadata is low density compared to the raw data. So you don't need a lot of memory to store metadata because it's already enriched information.
Nice. So this solution, the new era of the extrinsic sensing, is coming all over the place, or it's already on the way?
It's on its way. It's in full effect. Go to www.freescale.com/sensors or www.freescale.com/xyz for more information.